I'm like, baby, come on, I just fuck ladies and thongs. So if you thought this was love, crazy or wrong, I don't think I'm right now, cause I love being alone. And no offense, but the love you make just ain't strong. I've known you a couple weeks, the fuss I say was too long. You hyped up your pussy, what the fuck, it wasn't that bomb. You can't handle the truth, it was lust, I'm shady, we're grown. So fuck it, I'm gone, and take my number out your phone. Lots of fish in the sea, so when I cross they path, them girls trip over me. They caught my eye, but I think I misspelled this week. You were looking too, you shouldn't have been so discreet. Glasses on the brim of my beak, your bitch giving me brain. I'm mentally beat, tense, you can peek through the windows of Jeeps. Watch she duck below my pole, I limbo the freak. Don't it look right? Pencil the sheet, don't it sound right? Bends when it screech, sound bite. I meant when I beat, make it loud, try not to sink in your teeth. You asked me if I'm into you, what's with all the questions about how I feel? She said great because I'm digging you. I don't know baby, but I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know baby, but I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know baby, but I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know baby, but I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know baby, but I'm gonna keep it real. Hopeless romantic, this romantic shit's hopeless. The women I'm fucking is for bragging and thinking either I'm slammed off the potion or your ass is just swollen. But I'm back to my old shit, plenty bass in the ocean. Go with the flow and baby, just move with it, move with it. I think you moving too slow, you supposed to be cool with it, cool with it. Gon' drop it low, baby, and groove in it, groove in it. Show me your true feelings, show me your true feelings. That's how I like it, girl, I can tell that you loving. This the only time I'm accepting me mugging. Dip, dip, dip that. Get on your knees, back it up and dump it. Use the mirror, I love your reaction when we fucking. I mean, I like spending time with you, but I know that you're bad with me. The way you're acting is baffling. I mean, I think that your ass a freak. I like it and all. When you throw it back and I hit them walls, you a little bit trifling is all. And you kinda liking my flaws. All these hoes like when I floss, and they be riding my balls. Oh, that's why you act like that, cause I get them calls. If you ain't act like that, girl, we work, maybe you should go back to church. Remember the pastor's words, bitch, even the apple first. You ask me if I'm